Cardpool is a large online marketplace for gift cards. Members can sell their unused cards for up to 92% of its value. That amount is determined by the retailer's popularity, as some gift cards are obviously in more demand than others. And if you're looking to purchase a card through the site, it offers up to 35% savings. Raise is a website and free iPhone app that lets people set their own prices for selling back their gift cards, whether they're totally unused or even partially used. The mobile feature is a great benefit since you can browse for electronic gift cards while you're shopping in a store. Find one for less than its card value, and you just save big time, as the cards can be electronically downloaded onto your phone. A nice feature of the website Card Hub is the ability to sell and buy gift cards from either Facebook friends or people who live nearby. Checking that box is a great way to rid yourself of a local gift card to a nearby restaurant or boutique. This site also gives people more delivery options for the card, either through the mail, email, or in person. In San Francisco, I'm Cara Suboy, CNET.com for CBS News.